Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to automatically create a table of contents in Word. Before we get started with this video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so I've created a document here explaining why I believe DaVinci Resolve is better than Premiere Pro and Final Cut. So we have this title page here, and then I have my second page. I have my unmatched features, and I have my cost effectiveness. And then I have my second page and my third page where I have my conclusion. Now, if you've noticed, I've separated the paragraphs with subtitles. And so this is going to be an important first step in order to make sure that this works correctly. So on the Home tab here, we can select our section title, for example. The important thing is to make sure that all of these match. For example, let's go ahead and select heading 1. If you haven't written paragraph headings or page headings, you may want to go ahead and do that first. I'm going to go ahead and select heading 1 on each of my paragraph headings, and we're just going to do this until we've done it to all of them. Okay, and then I'm going to select my title. And let's go ahead and select title. And I might make some slight formatting adjustments here. Let's go ahead and maybe bold this. So I'm happy with that. Next up, I'm going to move my cursor past my title on my title page. And what we want to do here is we want to insert a new blank page. So insert, and I'm going to do blank page. And we can go ahead and title this page if we want to. I'm going to select heading 1 again, and we're going to call this table of contents. Okay, let's press enter. All right, next we're going to go to the references tab, and we're going to click table of contents. Here we have a few options. We have automatic table 1 or automatic table 2. Let's try automatic table 1. All right, and as we can see, we have our table of contents here. This is going to give us our headings and tell us which page. And so we can easily navigate to exactly what part of the document we want to read. Now, let's say we make changes to our document. For example, I'm going to add in a new heading here. I'm going to call this DaVinci Wide Gamut / Intermediate. All right, and I've added my new section here, but as we can see, it did not change anything in the table of contents. All we have to do is select and click Update Table. Let's do Update the entire table. As we can see, we have our new section here, which I've just added. All right, guys, so that's going to do it. If you have any questions about any parts of this video, drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. You can find those links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have an idea that you'd like to see made into a video, we strongly encourage you to let us know what that is down below. Most of these requests get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.